What up, y'all? It's your girl Jessica Lynn, and I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this dress from $3 Walmart pants. Alright, y'all, so we're going to go straight into the video. Here I'm just taking the zippers that I found from Amazon, and then I'm showing you the pants that I used. They were a size 4X pants, so you need them to be extremely big, obviously, depending on your size and your weight. I'm about 5'5", 135 pounds. So here I'm just taking the pants and I'm laying them on the floor and I'm cutting them in half because I tried on one half of the pants leg and it fit me pretty well. It was a little tight in the legs area, so that's why I put in another zipper on the side and opened it up with a split so that it could be more comfortable. Now I'm taking my favorite jumpsuit, the one that fits me well. You should do the same. Find something that fits you well and lay it on top of the pants so that you can fit it to the dress, if that makes sense. So you want to make sure that you're leaving some seam allowance. You don't want to cut right on top of the jumpsuit because then when you sew it, it's going to be too tight. So once you're done that, you can see the layout of the dress. I'm just showing you all how it is. And now I went back and I did cut it a little bit more because it seemed extremely straight. I wanted it to kind of snatch my body. So I did go back and cut it more. And you can do that with trial and error. Try it on, use some pins so you can see exactly how it's going to fit. Okay, so this was my first time ever doing something like this, so don't judge me, but excuse me. Yeah, like I said, this was my first time making something like this, so I did the zipper wrong. So I show you later how to correctly do the zipper so that you don't see the zipper on the outside. It was late. I was tired, so that's why it came out like that. But yeah, this is the wrong way to do it. I mean, if you want the zipper to show, then do it this way. But the zipper should not be sewing because this is the zipper that I'm using to actually put on my dress, if that makes sense. So here you can see, obviously, I did it wrong because the part that you're not supposed to see is visible. So keep watching the video because when I do the split down the center of my chest and then do the split on the side, I show you how to correctly do it. All you're doing is flipping it inside out, like you're just putting the zipper on the inside instead of the outside. Don't ask me why that didn't click in my head when I first started sewing it, but it's okay because it was my first time, so don't judge me. So here what I'm doing is showing you where to cut at for the split. So I was pointing to the little silver dot that you can see because you want to cut right about there. You don't want to cut too far up because the tip of the zipper isn't like complete. So it's just like two little pieces hanging off. So you want to cut where the silver dot is so that you can tuck the zipper on the inside. So cut, 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 tuck the zipper on the inside so that you can't see the silver dot or the two little pieces that are hanging off. And that's why I use the pin to mark where to cut, just so I make sure that I'm not cutting too far up. Now I am properly showing you guys how to sew the zipper on without the whole zipper showing. That was real ghetto. I don't even know why I thought that was okay. But anyways, as you can see, I'm taking pins and I'm pinning the zipper to the dress just so that I don't have to do what I was doing last time and correcting it every single time that I'm trying to sew a stitch. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you take the pins out as you're going because obviously you don't want to sew them up. So right before you're about to sew that area, you want to take out the pins and make sure you're not sewing those up. And plus you don't want your sewing needle to hit the pin or hit the needle on the pin or anything like that because that can mess up the needle in the sewing machine and cause it to bend. this is the final product with me all done up, looking like a baddie, cause period. But it really was not that hard, y'all. It probably took 2-3 hours. Keep in mind it was my first time. But let me know how you guys like this video, and if you want more videos, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.